An aircraft piston engine, also known as a reciprocating engine, is a type of internal combustion engine used to power small aircraft. It operates on the principles of converting fuel into mechanical energy through the combustion of air-fuel mixture within the engine cylinders. Here are some key features and components of an aircraft piston engine. Cylinders. Aircraft piston engines typically have multiple cylinders arranged in a radial or horizontally opposed configuration. Each cylinder contains a piston that moves up and down within it. Pistons. The pistons are cylindrical components that move up and down inside the cylinders. They are connected to the crankshaft via connecting rods, and their movement converts the reciprocating motion into rotary motion. Crankshaft. The crankshaft is a central shaft that rotates as a result of the reciprocating motion of the pistons. It converts the linear motion of the pistons into rotational motion, which drives the propeller. Valves. Each cylinder has intake and exhaust valves that open and close to control the flow of air-fuel mixture into the cylinder and the exhaust gases out of it. The opening and closing of the valves are synchronized with the piston's movement. Spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. They create an electric spark that ignites the mixture, initiating the combustion process. Carburetor or fuel injection system. Piston engines can use either a carburetor or a fuel injection system to mix fuel with air in the correct proportion before it enters the cylinders. The carburetor atomizes the fuel, while a fuel injection system precisely injects fuel at the right time and quantity. Ignition system. The ignition system provides the spark required to ignite the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders. It consists of components such as magnetos, spark plugs, and ignition wires. Lubrication system. An aircraft piston engine requires a lubrication system to reduce friction between moving parts and to cool and clean the engine components. It typically includes an oil pump, oil filter, and oil cooler. Cooling system. Piston engines generate a significant amount of heat during operation, so a cooling system is necessary to maintain optimal engine temperatures. It may involve airflow from the propeller, cooling fins, and sometimes liquid cooling systems. Aircraft piston engines are commonly used in smaller general aviation aircraft, such as single-engine propeller planes and some vintage aircraft. They offer simplicity, reliability, and good fuel efficiency for these types of aircraft operations.